Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to be showing you how to create a one-stop shop for all your business and social media handles. Hey everyone, my name is Steven, and today I will be showing you how to create a one-stop shop for all of your business and social media handles. This is really important because you want to be able to have people see you online and help consolidate all of your branding efforts into one place. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. All right, everybody, as you can see, we are now on the LinkQ homepage where we are able to get started, and you can check out some examples here of the bio link page, the shortened link URL, the QR code feature, built-in analytics as well, and you can see already how many active clients you already have. So what's great about this is we are able to create personal business cards, utilize the tools, create projects, custom domains, as well as even tracking pixels and file links as well. So first, let's go ahead and check out the dashboard. So as you can see, we already have statistics for stuff we previously created already to use. So let's go ahead and take a first look at the bio link feature. As you can see here, I already have a bio link installed for my photo booth rental business. You can see right here the blocks I've already created. So let's go ahead and go block by block real quick. The image is going to be obviously the logo at the top of the page. Then I already have, for SEO purposes, some general wording so this can get picked up on Google, as well as a video for an introduction and links for all of my packages, a specialty on my iPad rental, contact page, and also a direct link to book online. Obviously, this is the phone view as well, but you are also able to view online as well. So you can see how it looks on both perspectives depending on what platform they are choosing to visit from. Some other great features we have as well is our QR code feature. What's great about this is you'll be able to create your own QR code depending on if you want to have a special event, a link to your website, a link to your Facebook to follow, Yelp review, all that type of stuff. You can actually create a name for it and add either a margin size. You can also brand it by adding a logo to it. And you can also go ahead and do QR code, URL, make it a phone number, anything like that, and just add the link here as well. Here I can actually add a logo or my contact photo. I can also put in my first and last name as either my business or myself. I can put links to the email, website, my company name as well. Also what I am, my job title, and also if you need to, your business address as well. This is a great feature because as soon as I finish it online, I can go ahead and log into LinkQ on my phone, download, or even make a QR code. And now I have this QR code and link that I can virtually share to my clients instantly, and they have my contact information. Link.bio is a web-based server that you can access on your computer and on your smartphone device. Head on over to link.bio, create your account, and have everything under one platform today.